Hi, this is Zen, the Crypto Queen, and I just wanted to address a few things about XRP news today. One of them is the BRICS nations, and I hope you can hear me over all that's going on outside here. They chose now to start blowing leaves around. Anyway, the list goes on. Brazil's new legislative framework, etc. Note the commonalities. These legislators are providing leadership and doing the work that we are desperately missing in the U.S. Unsurprisingly, this is where companies like Ripple are growing. Well, obviously, I'm not going to get into it again because I just went into it on another video yesterday. By the way, please always do your own research and into all these coins. I talk about XRP a lot. I hold a big bag of XRP. You have to decide for yourself how much you want to hold if you are going to do that. This is not financial advice, simply sharing what I do. Also, if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscriber button and the bell notification so you see my videos. And if you'd give this a thumbs up, I would certainly appreciate that. Now, let's get on to what this means right here. Okay, Brazil is part of BRICS. And if you don't know what BRICS is, here are the countries that make up BRICS. Okay, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. You got two very formidable countries in there, Russia and China, which, you know, now exchange goods and services, and certainly, you know, moving away from the petrodollar and exchanging in rupee and yuan, or renminbi, whatever you want to call China's fiat currency. But, you know, while Brazil and India is a huge country too, but Brazil, India, and South Africa, they don't sound like they can help take over anything. And certainly, like Peter Zeihan warns that the U.S. is, in his opinion, still the big dog. I don't know that I agree with that necessarily, because look at where this country's going right now. Anyway, that's about BRICS. And so, you know, if you have one of the BRICS countries moving forward with the kind of leadership and regulations that make companies like Ripple thrive and grow, well, that just means that the U.S. is falling short, in my opinion. So, you know, this is simply my opinion today. I'm in a bad mood about this because, you know what, while crypto is a very risky investment, I mean, so is the stock market, but many people, you know, have been following charts for many years on this, and crypto has only been around since 2009, you know, with the granddaddy Bitcoin coming through back then, and Ethereum, you know, the grandmother, you know, following through just shortly after that. But the truth is that there's probably about 10,000 coins out there right now, altcoins, XRP, XLM, XDC, Quant being ones that I follow. There's another handful that I follow that are ISO 20022 coins, Algorand, and a couple others. The rest of them, they're going to fall by the wayside at some point. I don't know how soon, but at some point. But look at what's happening with your fiat currency. So when people tell me, oh, crypto's way too risky, crypto's a scam, I've heard that before, and that kind of makes me laugh, because a lot of people have become crypto millionaires simply by, you know, doing short positions or long positions, you know, trading with Bitcoin and other shit coins, okay? But look at how fast they can print fake money. And so your buying power, whether you've noticed it or not, it's decreasing. And meanwhile, the price of food, goods, and services have gone up incredibly. So, you know, I mean, if you're not paying attention to that, you're just simply following U.S. politics, and you can stand by your stance if you want to. I'm cool with it. But I just want you to pay attention, because things are going on in this world, and sometimes you have to get with the program and follow the dots, join them together, and see what's happening around the world. That's why I always recommend Zeihan for a good overview. Let me see if I can find it, and because I listened to it quite a while ago. It's about an hour and a half long. Let me see if I can find the one. Here's his channel, though, and you know, maybe scroll through and find it yourself. But look at this. There's, deglobalization, China's competitive edge. I mean, he does some short videos. That one long video, I highly recommend it, for a start. I think it's an hour long, and I really can't find it at the moment. But, check this out. The rising cost of capital. I mean, these are all things, the beginning of the fall of Crimea, that was back when the whole Ukrainian thing started. He's a very good, I don't know, what would you call him, prognosticator. I mean, I follow him, Gerald Celente, amongst a few others. And, they're kind of spot on. Whether you like following Republicans or Democrats, doesn't matter. Neither one of these people go to the political edge. They just give you the overview. And if you're not paying attention to the overview of the world, then you're not paying attention to your investments, whether you're in the stock market or you're in crypto, or you're just doing precious metals, or you're a Bitcoin maxi. I mean, you got to follow all this. And I want to follow this all up because this has been big in the news lately, this Chad GPT. And here's Elon Musk's view on it. I just want to play this 10-second clip. Check it out. Let me get this back to the beginning.
The scary part is digital superintelligence that far exceeds human intelligence. We could lose control of it. I think this is definitely one of the issues that we need to be concerned about as an existential risk. The scary...
Well, and there you have it. So if you're using Chad GPT, let me know what you think about it in the comments. I haven't investigated it fully. I just have been following along a little bit. So that's my video for today. Thanks so much for joining me. Love y'all and really appreciate all your comments and support. If you would like a one-on-one session to either set up Uphold or move your crypto off exchanges onto your ledger, all my links are in the description box below. Please feel free to use one to start an account or buy a ledger, and I can help you set it up. Or Ledger does a fabulous job of sending you 4 emails with 4 very short videos to set it up. But if you are concerned at all, you could set up a private session with me. They are available to you, and I accommodate your schedule as I can. Please email me at zendevon@gmail.com and put crypto in all uppercase letters in this in the subject box, please, so that I see it, because I get a lot of email and I don't want to miss yours. Or you can comment below on YouTube, and I always respond, and we can set up from there. Okay, thanks so much. See you on the next video. Ciao for now.